Hey guys, it's your girl Anna and I'm back with another video. Today we'll be doing some reggae eye. Stay tuned if you'd like to see. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Please remember to watch the ads. If you're new, do feel welcome.
I love it. I'm going to give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe below and comment. And hit and smash the button. If you don't want to smash it, then hit it. And the notification button. And the press. I love it. I just love it with an apple flavor.
So guys, this was a requested video. I'm making some reggae slushy. However, the person who requested it wanted it to have alcohol, so you can add alcohol to this. However, because I wanted to make it for my son, I did not. These are all the ingredients that you'll use. I will list them as I go. So first thing first, you have to ensure that you have enough ice. Now you can have cubed ice or party ice, whichever ice that you want to use. I'm using the ice that I had. And you know how red, gold and green go, the reggae colors. So I'm using the red first and I'm adding some red strawberry syrup to that. I use some Jolly Rancher juice, but you can use whichever red juice that you have or whichever red fruit if you want to use fruit. So I've added those three ingredients and now I'm blending. So I'm blending to give it a slushy consistency, and we all know what slushy look like. So we want it to be icy, not too icy, but just with the right consistency. And you can blend to your liking. Now here's our glass and we're just pouring it into the glass. Look at that, it is 1/3% of the glass. Now we're moving on to the yellow or the gold. So as I stated before, you can add whichever yellow colored juice that you have. This juice was not sweet enough, so I'm adding some corn syrup to give it a little bit of sweetness. You can skip the corn syrup, and if you are going to add a rum, you could add it right here. Now I'm going to blend, repeat the same thing that we did, the same step that we did with the red. So we're just blending, and don't worry yourself guys, once it is fully blended, the color will be okay. But because the ice is there, it is going to have a whitish consistency. Now you have to take your time and pour it because you don't want the yellow to go into the red. Fun fact, you can put the glass in the freezer after each blend just to give it that coolness. Now we're adding some ice and we're going to repeat this step. However, we're going to add some green juice and we're going to add some lime juice to it to give it that tangy flavor. As I said before, this is apple Jolly Rancher juice. So I've used only Jolly Rancher juice to blend this. You can use whichever color drink that you have. It doesn't have to be red, gold and green. You can use blue, purple, whichever color to give you that party flavored or party colored ice. After blending, we are going to do the same thing, repeat this step. But because I was so eager, yes, you see that little spill? I could have edited that out, but I want you to know that everything in the kitchen is not always perfect. But look at this perfect combination, red, gold and green. People, you have never seen a better reggae ice before. I know this was delicious. I liked it, my husband liked it, my son liked it. You will get my son's review. You can always do this for your kids or do this for a little house party, you know, just to keep it vibrant, to keep everything active. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Until next time, it's your girl Anna.
I love it. I'm going to give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe below and comment. smash it, then hit it. And then there's some buttons. It's crisp. I love it. I just love it with the apple flavor. When it's apple flavor to me, it's apple crunch or apple cider. I don't know